Tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start! I can tie my shoes. Again, I can tie my shoes. Your turn to read, children. I like red apples. Again, I like red apples. Your turn to read, children. The cat is sleeping. Again, the cat is sleeping. Your turn to read, children. Tom has a blue bag. Again, Tom has a blue bag. Your turn to read, children. We clean our room. Again, we clean our room. Your turn to read, children. The cake smells good. Again, the cake smells good. Your turn to read, children. Sam drinks milk every day. Again, Sam drinks milk every day. Your turn to read, children. Ben rides his bike. Again, Ben rides his bike. Your turn to read, children. The fish swims fast. Again, the fish swims fast. Your turn to read, children. The baby is crying. Again. The baby is crying. Your turn to read, children. Dad waters the plant. Again. Dad waters the plant. Your turn to read, children. The dog barks loudly. Again. The dog barks loudly. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. I can tie my shoes. I like red apples. The cat is sleeping. Tom has a blue bag. We clean our room. The cake smells good. Sam drinks milk every day. Ben rides his bike. The fish swims fast. The baby is crying. Dad waters the plant. The dog barks loudly. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.